common grammar mistakes in TOEFL-based English writing. Avoid these mistakes to improve your writing skills. Grammar mistakes can seriously hurt your TOEFL writing score, even if you have great ideas. In this video, I will show you the 5 most common grammar errors I see in student essays and how to fix them quickly. Why grammar matters in TOEFL writing. Grammar is a key part of your TOEFL writing score. Examiners look at how accurately and clearly you express your ideas. Even 1 or 2 repeated mistakes can lower your score. Let's go through these common grammar traps and learn how to avoid them.
Mistake number 1, subject-verb agreement. One of the most common mistakes is subject-verb agreement. Incorrect. People enjoys watching movies. Correct. People enjoy watching movies. Make sure your verb matches the subject in number. Plural subjects need plural verbs. Mistake number 2, run-on sentences. Run-on sentences happen when 2 or more ideas are joined without proper punctuation. Incorrect. I love studying. It helps me get good grades. Correct. I love studying because it helps me get good grades. Use connectors like because, and, or proper punctuation to fix this. Most beginner-level writers often misuse a, an, and the. Incorrect. She is doctor. Correct. She is a doctor. Articles depend on the context. Practice when to use them and when to leave them out. Switching tenses in the same sentence or paragraph confuses the reader. Incorrect. Last year, I start a business and it grows fast. Correct. Last year, I started a business and it grew fast. Use past tense for past events and keep it consistent. Mistake number 5, incorrect prepositions. Prepositions like in, on, at, and for are tricky. Incorrect. I am good in English. Correct. I am good at English. Keep a list of commonly misused prepositions and memorize them with examples. Recap of today's learning and strategy to fix these issues. So today we have discussed the common mistakes in English writing, especially for TOEFL test. Let's quickly review the topics we have mentioned today. Number 1, subject-verb agreement. Number 2, run-on sentences. Number 3, article usage. Number 4, verb tense consistency. 5, incorrect prepositions. We should try to fix these in our writing by reading the essay aloud, practicing grammar drills, reviewing TOEFL test samples. Make a checklist of common grammar mistakes you make often, and use the list every time you practice writing. Did this help you catch your own grammar mistakes? Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the grammar mistake you struggle with most.